So when it comes to my interview process, I try to keep it as light and airy as possible. So I send students an email in advance once they've scheduled their interview times, and I say that I'm excited to get to know them and that they should come as they are. So for some students, that means showing up in a suit, and for other students, that's showing up, in t-shirt and jeans. I try not to apply expectations for professionalism because I think it can be detrimental to students for whom education at an institution like Berkeley is more of a reach, or they're first generation, or even students they're in the arts or operate in different spaces that don't require this. So I am okay with students sort of coming as they are. I mean, they're undergraduates. I think there is a space to help them to think about what they present and how that might affect the way that people look at them in the career space at the career office. And I try to give them a space to just be.
So in reaching out to students and inviting them to an interview, I made sure that in my email I would first off detail the type of questions I would ask them, and to specify that it was an opportunity for them to prepare questions about the project, the summer, the logistics. A lot of students came with questions. They were interested in learning a little bit more about the projects. They wanted to know a few logistical things like could they take some time off. So it was really useful to provide them with this opportunity to ask questions.
When I contacted the applicants and asked them to come to an interview, I really try to make sure that they understand that it's not very formal, but kind of a conversation and a dialogue between themselves and me, to kind of me getting to know them and them getting to know me, because they're still they don't know me. And they might figure out that they don't want to work with me, and their only piece of information they have about the project is the prompt that they read online. Yes, especially an undergraduate and a graduate student, there is some kind of power dynamics here, an authority figure and a non-authority figure. But I kind of suppress that as much as possible to make sure that they're comfortable having a conversation eye to eye with me.